Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I had some overripe bananas, and of course I didn't want to get rid of them, so I wanted to make something with them. So I make these delicious banana fritters, so I thought it'd be a great time not only to make them, but also to show you guys how they're made. They're a delicious, easy dessert to put together. So here's a list of ingredients you guys are going to need for this. You're going to need 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. You're going to need a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, as well as a 1/3 cup of regular white sugar. You're going to need 4 overripe bananas. You're going to need a teaspoon of baking powder. You're going to need a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon for the actual fritters, and then you're going to need some cinnamon as well as some confectioner's sugar for the top. I like to sprinkle them when they're all done. You're also going to need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then of course you're going to need some good cooking oil, vegetable oil, whatever frying oil you guys prefer to fry the fritters as well. And that's it guys, that's all you need to make these delicious banana fritters. So let's get baking guys. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to do is mash your bananas. So I'm going to go ahead and peel all my bananas and put them in a bowl. So I'm going to start first with my little masher and get them all broken down. You can use a fork if you don't have a mashed potato masher. Works just as well. And you really want to make sure that your bananas are really ripe, like overripe, because the banana needs to be, you know, mushy. And a masher works really well. It works better than a fork, I think. It just takes less time. So if you do have a masher, use that. If not, just use a fork. And that's what it should look like. And then all you're going to do, I'm going to put this to the side a second. I'm going to go ahead and put all the ingredients in the flour so I can get it nice and whisked before we put it in the banana mixture, so it's nice and incorporated. So the flour. Then I have the brown sugar and regular sugar. I have my cinnamon, baking powder, and the salt. Gosh, as soon as the cinnamon hits the bowl, you could smell it immediately. I love cinnamon. And we're not going to do the vanilla yet until we put it all in the banana. So just whisk that really good to combine everything. That looks great. And then we're going to pour it in the bananas. That's how quick that is. And then you're going to incorporate all the dry with the banana. And I'm just going to start with this. And then I'll end up using a spoon or something. And like I said, this is a really quick and easy little dessert to put together. And they're so good. Alright, I'm going to get another spoon. Or a spatula, whatever you guys have. We're just going to finish mixing that, incorporating everything together really well. Now once your flour and everything's in there, and you've kind of incorporated the flour mixture with the banana, we can go ahead and put our teaspoon of vanilla. Or a little over, it's okay. I'm never exact. And then just finish mixing it. And it smells so good. Now if you guys like banana recipes, I do have a banana bread recipe on my page. It's an older video, but I can go ahead and leave the link in the description box for you guys. It's a delicious recipe, but if you like bread and banana or anything banana, you guys will really like it. And then of course I'll put all the measurements and ingredients to this in the description box as well. And that's it, guys. That's all you do for this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the stove and fry these babies up. Alright guys, so what I have is my Dutch oven. You just need a large pot to put some oil in. I filled it up almost halfway. I'm going to go ahead and put my stove on high for right now, just to get the temperature up. We want it to about 350 degrees. I have a thermometer that I'll go ahead and put in here to check the temperature. And then you need something with some paper towels to absorb the rest of the oil after frying. And then over here I just have the banana mixture that we just did and just an ice cream scooper. You can use a spoon, you can use whatever you like. And then just my little net thing to catch the little fritters in. And that's it, guys. So I'm going to let this get up to temperature and we'll be back to fry these babies up. Alright guys, so my temperature's up. It is reading at exactly 350. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this. And we're going to start dropping our little fritters. You're just going to plop it in the oil. And what it's going to do is it's going to drop to the bottom and then it'll start floating back up. I'm only going to put 3 in at a time. I don't want to drop the temperature too low with the fritters. So we're just going to see how they just pop back up. So I'm just going to sit and watch them. It'll take just a couple of minutes. We'll just keep an eye on them. And what we're looking for is them to turn a nice golden brown. And then just flip them around so that the bottoms get nice and cooked as well. And that's it. That's all you got to do for these fritters. It's that easy. And like I said, you can use a ice cream scooper. You could use a big tablespoon. You could use whatever your heart desires to drop them in. It doesn't matter. Just depends on really how big you want them. I find that the ice cream scooper is a nice size fritter, so that's why I use that. And what I did, a little trick, is I go ahead and spray some Pam in and around it so that the banana mixture doesn't really stick to the spoon or to the ice cream scooper. Alright guys, I'm going to keep on frying these babies and I'll meet you back over there to do the finishing touch. Alright guys, so my fritters are all done. They smell absolutely delicious. They're nice golden brown. And all I have in here is some confectioner sugar and some cinnamon. And you're just going to sprinkle it on top, however much you guys want. Just like that. You're going to serve it with some vanilla ice cream. And what I like to do is just take a little bit of cinnamon and sprinkle it right on top of the vanilla ice cream. Isn't that beautiful, guys? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed making it. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. They're absolutely delicious. And like I said, they're really quick and easy to make. If you like my videos and you want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe and put your notifications on so you guys don't miss any of my videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Alright, guys, I want to go ahead and open one for you guys and try it. I just want to show you what the inside looks like. Look at that, guys. I cannot explain how absolutely delicious these are. I really hope you guys give these a try.